Imagine a tiny mammal eating a power cable and accidentally rewriting the fabric of reality itself. Today, we explore the bizarre theory that a weasel did something physically impossible. In spring 2016, scientists at the Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland faced a major disruption when a small mammal munched on a critical power cord, forcing a temporary shutdown of the chondrodristalize, world's most powerful machine. While mainstream science dismissed this as simple sabotage, a fringe theory emerged suggesting that, by disrupting the collider's energy, the weasel altered reality's fabric and created a new timeline marked by increased global chaos. This concept relies on the idea that nothing is truly physically impossible, even events that seem to break. Rules are just complex interactions of values and quantum states, much like how complex numbers exist in our mathematical universe. Weasels are masters of efficiency. Their unique locomotion pattern of jerking up and down ensures they feed frequently enough to keep up with the massive energy lost during their sporadic, high-intensity movements. If we view the weasel's movements as a variable in a complex equation, its sudden consumption of energy from the collider could theoretically introduce a chaotic variable that ripples through the timeline, challenging our understanding of causality. Ultimately, while reality likely remained stable and the weasel just wanted lunch, this incident highlights humanity's fascinating tendency to find deep, impossible meaning in even the simplest of natural occurrences. So there you have it, a weasel that might have broken physics. What do you think? Was this a cosmic accident or just a hungry snack? Let me know your theory in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives.